Way out in the Venezuelan wilderness, a giant sleeps. Angel Falls, a roaring beast of water, taller than any skyscraper man has ever built. Nearly a kilometre from top to bottom, this ain't just a waterfall, it's a force of nature. Anyone who's anyone in the adventure world knows this place. It's a rite of passage, and trust me, it's a challenge even the toughest respect. I've been lucky enough to stand before wonders of the world before, but nothing prepared me for this. The sheer scale, the deafening roar, the spray that chills you to the bone even in the jungle heat. It's an experience that stays with you forever. This isn't just sightseeing, it's about pushing your limits, testing your mettle against the raw power of the natural world. And believe me, the journey to get there is half the adventure. We're talking dense rainforest, unpredictable weather, creatures lurking in every shadow. But hey, that's what we live for, right? The thrill of the unknown, the satisfaction of conquering the unconquerable. So, buckle up, because I'm about to take you on a journey to the heart of adventure. Get ready to feel the pulse of the wild. There's a certain itch that no city life can scratch, an urge to break free, to test your limits. That's the call of the wild, and when it comes, you got to answer. For me, that call led me to Angel Falls. I'd seen pictures, heard stories, but nothing compares to experiencing it firsthand. This wasn't just about checking off a bucket list item. This was personal. Months of planning, research, gathering the right gear. Every detail matters when you're venturing into the unknown. Maps, compass, first aid kit, machete, these become your lifeline. But more than equipment, you need the right mindset. A blend of respect for nature's power and unwavering self-belief. The journey starts simple enough, a flight to Caracas, then deeper into the heart of Venezuela. But the real adventure begins when the pavement ends. We're talking dugout canoes paddled by indigenous guides, navigating the currents of rivers teeming with caiman and piranhas. The humidity hangs heavy in the air, a constant reminder that you're in the jungle now, where nature makes the rules. Out here, your gear is your lifeline. We're talking rugged backpacks, tents built to withstand torrential downpours, and enough insect repellent to last a lifetime. But the most important tool, your own two hands, learning to tie knots that hold, build fires in the rain, and identify edible plants. These are skills that can mean the difference between life and death. Remember, we're not talking about a stroll in the park. This is the jungle, raw and unforgiving. Thorns tear at your clothes, insects feast on any exposed skin, and the humidity saps your strength. But amidst the challenges, there's an undeniable beauty. Vivid orchids bloom on giant trees, monkeys chatter from the canopy, and the air thrums with the sound of unseen life. Every step is a reminder that you're a visitor in this domain, and respect is paramount. We take only memories and leave only footprints. It's about coexisting with nature, not conquering it. The jungle teaches you humility, forces you to confront your fears. But in those moments of vulnerability, you also discover a strength you never knew you possessed. The deeper we ventured, the denser the jungle became. Sunlight struggled to penetrate the thick canopy, casting an eerie green glow on the forest floor. Our guides, with their intimate knowledge of the land, led us through a labyrinth of tangled vines and towering trees. Each step was a battle against the undergrowth, a constant reminder of nature's relentless growth. The air hung heavy with humidity, a breeding ground for insects that buzzed around our heads like miniature fighter jets. We slapped and swatted, but they were relentless, their bites a constant itch. Sweat poured down our faces, mixing with the insect repellent, creating a sticky film that attracted even more bugs. Yet amidst the discomfort, there was an undeniable sense of awe. Giant ferns unfurled their fronds like prehistoric creatures. Colourful toucans flitted through the trees, their calls echoing through the stillness. And always, the roar of water grew louder, a constant reminder of our destination. The jungle was a sensory overload, a symphony of sights, sounds and smells. It was both exhilarating and exhausting, testing our limits with every step. But as we pushed deeper into the green abyss, we knew that the reward would be worth the effort. The sight of Angel Falls, in all its glory, awaited us. If you enjoyed our adventure, please subscribe. This is Donnie, your travel friend.